In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the preference sound in QuickBooks. If you want QuickBooks to play a sound whenever you record a transaction, or if you'd prefer to turn that sound off, the good news is that this is a very simple setting to update. It only takes a moment, and once you know where to find it, you can switch it on or off anytime based on your preference. To begin, open QuickBooks Desktop and log into your company file as you normally would. Make sure the program is fully loaded before moving on, so all the menu options are available and easy to access. Once you're in QuickBooks, go to the top menu bar and click on Edit. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to your settings and preferences. From that menu, select Preferences. This is where QuickBooks stores many of the program behaviors you can customize. After the Preferences window appears, look over to the left-hand side. You'll see a list of categories. Click on General. This section includes some of the basic behavior settings for how QuickBooks works during everyday use. Now, in the General section, click on the My Preferences tab. This tab contains user-specific settings, which means the changes you make here are tied to your experience in QuickBooks. If multiple users access the same company file, it's helpful to know that preference changes in this area may apply only to the current user profile. In the My Preferences area, look for the option labeled Beep when recording a transaction. This is the setting that controls whether QuickBooks plays a sound each time a transaction is recorded. If you want the sound to be turned on, check the box next to that option. If you'd rather disable the sound, simply uncheck the box. This gives you a quick way to make QuickBooks feel a little quieter or a little more responsive, depending on how you like to work. After making your selection, click OK to save the change. That's it. Your new preference will take effect right away. If the setting doesn't seem to change immediately, it can help to close and reopen the window you're working in, but in most cases, clicking OK is all you need. Keeping your preferences set the way you like can make QuickBooks more comfortable to use throughout the day, especially if you enter transactions frequently. And that's how to change the preference sound in QuickBooks.